are going to make crock pot taco mac casserole.
Star rainbow. Hi, welcome back to another edition of Cooking Chris's Dishes with the good old boy.
And Aunt Lou.
And we're cooking up another dish from recipes that crock.com, my beautiful wife's cooking blog, and this recipe is another Aunt Lou special. And Aunt Lou, tell us all about it. What are we gonna make?
We are going to make crock pot taco mac casserole.
Hey y'all, do Taco Tuesday? Do you do Taco Tuesday? We do Taco Tuesday. Let's talk about it.
Today.
Tacos today. But let's say you don't want tacos, you want a casserole, maybe you're a little into the pasta,
amazing.
but you still want something that tastes like tacos. Ta-da! Here it is. Hey, what do you need to put this together?
2 taco seasoning packs. 2 to 3 pounds of ground beef that you can either use our make ahead ground beef recipe.
Link down below in the description.
Or you can just brown up a couple pounds of ground beef and drain it, you know, all that fun stuff. Then take 2 cups of uncooked pasta. Cook it up to al dente. You want it just chewy. Cause
if you pop it in your mouth, you're going to chew and go, that's not done. That's when it's done for now.
But not when you go, ooh, that's crunchy.
Yeah, or if you go, ooh, that's mushy, you've gone way too far.
You've gone too far. Start again. You're also going to get a cup and a half of milk.
A cuppa and a halfa.
A cup and a half and a cup and a half.
From a heifer. That is...
No, a heifer would not. Because a heifer hasn't had a baby.
Oh, well don't get a cuppa and a halfa from a heifer. And we need
a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, a half cup of butter melted, and a 16-ounce block, aka the small block, or half of a 32-ounce block.
Because 16 is half of 32.
Yeah,
The
little
more you
math
know.
for you.
Star rainbow. Velveeta.
Velveeta cubed
the
up.
white. Can you see that? There it is. This cheese. It's cheese. It's Velveeta cheese. It's processed, pasteurized cheese.
Okay.
And then what?
You put it all together in a great big bowl while I spray this.
Okay.
Get to pouring.
Watch this. Beef in a bowl. Oh look.
It's what's for dinner.
Some left over. I love that part.
Pasta.
In a bowl.
Oh, and I highly recommend you pour in all of your solid ingredients before you pour in your other your liquid, so that way you're not splashing your liquid. I just threw some pasta.
And then I learned this from the last time we did a recipe. Kind of don't let the cheese stick, kind of spread it around a little bit.
Break it up. Ooh, ooh. Get it?
No.
I'm going to have to play that.
There was your choral lesson for the day. And now, your liquids.
You still did not.
Your milk.
Milk.
Your evaporated milk. And your butter.
Butter.
Right in there.
And your taco seasoning. If I can open it.
You may get it? Even though I've been messing with the butter.
See if you can get that one. Let's see if I can get this one. He's so funny.
I'm not afraid to use sharp objects. Everybody else is.
When you're using them. Okay.
Right.
And so you want to get this taco. Let me get this first one mixed in a little bit before you just dump the second one on
Oh,
top.
that smells really good. I love the smell of taco stuff.
Me too. I love tacos.
All right, so
now throw in the
just
second
mixing
pack.
it all together and just sprinkle that last batch of taco seasoning in there. I think if you were to do like cracker crumbs on top, give it a little crunch, especially because we're using our casserole crock for this. You can use any 5 to 6 quart dish in order to make this happen, but we're going to use our casserole crock, and I'm thinking like you could like crumble, like maybe crush up some Ritz crackers, or this is a taco recipe. You could like crumble up Fritos, put Fritos on the top of it when it's done. Oh, I'm going to run to the store and get some Fritos before we get done with this recipe. That smells so good, Lou. It smells so good.
Okay.
She's all mixed up.
And pour it in.
Just like that.
And you're just going to want to spread it all out, and then you're going to cover and cook it on low for 3 to 4 hours, stirring occasionally, because with Velveeta in a crock pot, you want to make sure those chunks are getting all mixed up, so it's all this nice and creamy yumminess. And also that means that your Velveeta is not going to get stuck to the side.
All right, so
There we
3
go.
to 4 on low. We will come back in 3 to 4 hours, and we're going to tear into that in 3, 2, 1. And the timer has gone off, and it's time to talk about it. I know, that joke never gets old, right? So, show them what we got there, Andrew. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. That smells so good.
And I have, of course, skirted. Wow.
You stirred it? She stirred it up with the spoon.
I stirred it.
Oh, that's thick. That's a lot thicker. Look at that, y'all. I didn't think it was going to turn out that thick, but look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. I cannot wait to put that in me. That smells so good.
Alrighty.
I'll hold the plate. This by itself, I don't know. I don't know. I'm about to find out. In fact, I'm just going to go ahead and go into it.
He's not even waiting for me. Do you see that? How rude! Mikey like?
It tastes like a taco. Oh, so I'm thinking either Fritos or, I don't know, your favorite's also chili cheese Fritos. So
Chili
a
cheese.
little bit on the top, a little bit more, because
Huh.
Fritos. And that's going to add
A crunch.
to it. And then chili cheese flavor along with it.
Good call.
And if you want to make it healthy, put it on a bed of lettuce and say it's a taco salad. Okay, not healthy, but
Add
gosh.
something healthy to it.
that is good. Again, no salt, no pepper. It's all the seasonings in that, and of course, if you put Fritos on top, there's your salt. That's simple. 10 minutes to put together, and it's ready to go. That. Another high five. Good job, Aunt Lou.
Thanks.
I'm still chewing my food. It's not very polite to chew and talk at the same time.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up down below. And if you are not already a part of our Crock Posse,
You're doing a good job. Keep going.
don't interrupt me. Ew. If you would like to be a part of our Crock Posse, click the subscribe button down below. And if you want to see every time we post an ultra amazing, wonderful recipe or other kind of video,
And that doesn't mean I gotta be in it.
no.
I wasn't interrupting you. I was telling them. Go ahead.
Click the ding-a-ling and you will get notifications whenever we post a new video. And no matter what you do,
Laugh often.
eat good food.
And speak life.
Bye.
Bye, y'all. I didn't leave you much.
That's alright. There's a whole crock pot full.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon